Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review Libas kurta, and now I got experience of this kurta. This kurta is 8 months old and 10 time hand washed, and it's look like new. You can see, and I am wearing from morning, and it's about 4 p.m. in evening, and I did whole housework, so it looks fine. No wrinkles, nothing like that, and you can use in daily wear. So the main purpose of this haul is that how to select the kurtas that can be weared in all season, for all age group and for all professions, and they will look good. And the best part of Libas kurtas in nowadays is they are coming with pants. So with pants you can wear some tops, and it will be converted to next dress also, and no one can judge that this was kurta and you wear it in different manner. So it will not look like others too, that you are doing mix and match, because it will completely change the look. So not waste time, let's start the detailing of the kurta one by one. And the basic thing that you will found that all are coming with pockets in pants. Whatever I will show you, 5 6 all are with coming pants, and you can see the designs, they are trying to match it. And the other thing that you will notice is that they provide extra materials for dupatta, buttons, everything. So if you will, like, you are traveling and you loosed, then it's not like that your dress is wastage, you can utilize it. And from near you can see the work, jari work. Okay, and here uh, yeah, you can see the price as well. Okay, and but I got most of them between 65 to 80% discount. And I, in last, I will tell you that how to take a maximum discount from Livas. And in downside, this type of work you can see from near. And because it's silk band woven kurtas, so woven kurtas are like this from back. So don't wash roughly, do hand wash, I would recommend. Okay, and I am wearing this kurta that is almost 8 9 month old, and I did machine wash also, but it's not in bad condition, it is in similar condition that I bought. What I use mass bags, and I put my kurtas in mass bags and like chip like that and throw into machines. It is not going to harm. Okay, and you can see the sign and other things. So but only the thing is that in machine wash you will require steam iron and other things. Then if you can manage, then you can go in that way. And the other good thing about all the kurtas is their dupattas are very large, and I bought two dupattas that are similar in different colors, and their length and other things are too much that once you will combine two dupattas, you can wrap it like sarees also. Like some days ago it was a fashion that two color sari, so you can convert it into that also. So the other one that has the same tone dupatta, yeah, see, very similar, and this fabric is same, color is different, the lace pattern is different only. So you, if you want to try, make some sari for small kids or you yourself, or you are that much perfect in designing things, and the similar things you will get with this kurta also. The detailed image you are seeing in the side of the video, tassels and the same woven work. And the I am not telling you how to style these things, because you will be already master in these things. So I'm just showing that how much we can reuse these kurtas in different occasions and different times. And this kurta salwar, and again, as I told, all these dresses have pockets and gota pattis. And the beauty of this kurta is also that the fashion will never go, because bandhni print never goes out of fashion. Dupatta cotton, you can, if it is all, you can use like towel or anything. So the good thing about the cotton is that you have lots of repurpose things that you can repurpose. I bought all in medium size this time, because earlier I was buying in a small size and this is smaller. So what happens when I wear it again, so for some time it's like tight for me, and after some time it makes it becomes comfortable. So, and when I go to mountains and I have to walk on stairs fastly, it is like that you can't move that much fast because these are the pants. So go one size up, which is your actual fitting, because after some time every fabric shrinks little bit, and when you wear after some time it's like open, but it could be a chances that your fabric will damage from the stitching, because it's getting so much. So that is the reason I would recommend go one size up, and in small you are seeing, and in the medium you also see it does not making too much difference on me. I am look similar. So the this fourth one is also cotton, and you can see this weaving handwork. All these suits reminds me of my childhood when I was not I was wearing frocks, but uh, eh, others were wearing suits. So that time thread work, silk, these were in fashion. Okay, and the fabric is too good. The cotton is so awesome. You can see, if you want to see finishing of threads and other things, so the inside finishing is also good. Yeah, and because it is giving a extra layer of cloth here, you will not to face any other type of issues. It is also washed one time, so that is the reason you are not seeing the tag. Okay, and this is its salwar, again pant style. This pant can be wear with any suits. And the dupatta is really so awesome. So it sometimes is like a small bed sheet for a kid, right? So if you want to cover your small kids with the dupatta, you will feel so good. It's that much soft. And a last but not the least, actually I have lots of collection. Within 1 year I started buying from Liwas, and I bought around 50 to 60 dresses from Liwas. It is available on Myntra also, but I don't buy from the Myntra. I am buying from Liwas website only. Reason is that I get more discounts, and it's sometimes 1,000 rupees I am saving if I am doing shopping from Liwas website. But I will tell you how to do best shopping and how to get a discount of 80% on a dress which is available in 60%. So that is the main thing. And this is also so awesome. Today it is again costly, but the day I bought it, it was only on 900. And can you think you can buy that much beautiful dress in 900 with kurta, pant, dupatta, everything? No one can think of about it. Now I'm just sharing the things like how to buy in best prices, and I'm not sharing the prices because the prices will fluctuate every day or weekly. Many times happened to me, our dress is in 60%, but after 2 months it's again in 40% discount. So you, if you like some dresses, you have to either add in card or send it to WhatsApp. So keep that link with you, okay? And after that, in regular basis, 2 3 days, you can check that dress. Recently, I checked one dress that was of 2700 from many months, but yesterday it was in 1600 only. So I just ordered. So I'm sharing that dress with you inside link, and you can order it today. That's a steal deal, don't miss it, because today, uh, all from yesterday I am watching that all the dresses are costly. When I ordered, most of them are 200 300 costlier, but suddenly one or two dresses are in less price. So I never miss such chances that when it is going to less and we have to place the order immediately, other next day it could be again in different discount range. So that is the hack that I am using, and I am thinking that this will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.